You remember in our earlier session, we used this loop to print all the values in the list using an index. And in the range, we have specified the len, which gives the count of the elements from the list. Here, len is the function. Just like len, there are many functions that we can apply to the list. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. And in this session, we will study different functions that we can apply to the list. Python provides many functions that we can use on the list. But for now, we will study len, max, min and del. As the name suggests, the len function is used to find the count of atoms in the list. Max function is used to find the max value in the list. Similarly, min gives the minimum value of the list and del deletes the list object. Let's study them one by one. Consider an example. Suppose we are given a task to store the run score by all the players in one inning and find the max and minimum. To do this, we will declare a variable runs. Then store run score by 11 players in the square bracket, separated by commas like this. Well, our list is ready. Then we will find the length using the len function. Just write numbers of players equal to len and in curved bracket runs variable. Now use a print statement to print the number of players equal to variable name. Let's run the code. Well, we got the desired output. Now let's find the max run using the max function. Again, write a variable maximum underscore runs and then assignment operator, then max function and in brackets write the name of list variable. Then print the variable like this. Let's run the code. Well, again we got the perfect output. Now we will try the min function. Let's write the print statement. Inside print, we will write the message and then comma and after comma write min and in bracket list variable name. Run the code. Again we got the right output. Please observe over here. In this line, we got output in the variable maximum runs. We then printed it. And in this line, we directly printed the output and called the function min inside the print statement. You can use function inside other statement or first get the value in a variable and then use it. It depends on the situation and the programming requirement. Hope you understood this len function, max and min function. Now we will see how to use this del function. When we use list, a lot of memory is required because it can contain 100 values or 1000 values. So when we don't need list data in the program, it's better to delete it. To delete the list, simply write del and in bracket name of the variable. After the del function, write a print statement in the next line to display the variables run. Let's run the code. Here we got the output that run is not defined because we deleted it before printing using the del function. These functions are easy, yet you need to remember them. You will require them a lot in future session and when you join a company as a software engineer. See, we have done few sessions on the list. I'm sorry, but we are not done yet. We need to learn a few more things about the list, but all that in the next session. Thanks for watching.